Can your business streamline payments and ditch those pesky paper checks? That's a question many of you, especially those in the home service industry, are asking as you look for ways to modernize your financial operations. And if you're using Jobber or considering it, a crucial part of that modernization revolves around one key payment method: ACH. For years, the gold standard for secure, reliable, and cost-effective electronic payments in the U.S. has been the Automated Clearinghouse, or ACH network. Think of it as the quiet workhorse of the financial world, handling everything from direct deposits for your paycheck to automatic bill payments for your utilities. It's what powers those convenient online transfers you make from one bank account to another. But why is ACH such a big deal for businesses like yours? Let's break it down. Compared to credit card payments, ACH typically comes with significantly lower transaction fees. We're talking fractions of a percent versus 2 to 3% or even more. When you're dealing with high-volume transactions or larger invoice amounts, those savings can add up to thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars annually. For a small to medium-sized home service business, that's real money that can be reinvested in equipment, marketing, or even your team. Beyond cost, ACH offers incredible reliability. Once an ACH payment is initiated, it's generally more difficult for a customer to dispute or reverse than a credit card charge. This means greater payment certainty for you. Plus, the system is incredibly secure, with robust protocols in place to protect sensitive financial information. And for your customers, it's often a preferred method for larger payments, offering a straightforward and familiar way to pay without the hassle of checks or the potential for credit card limits. So, with all these advantages, it's no wonder that businesses are increasingly looking to integrate ACH payments directly into their operational software. And if you're a Jobber user or thinking about becoming one, the question naturally arises: does Jobber accept ACH? The short answer, and the one that will likely bring a smile to your face, is yes, absolutely. Jobber understands the critical role that efficient payment processing plays in the success of home service businesses. They've integrated robust payment solutions directly into their platform, and ACH is a significant part of that offering. Jobber's payment processing is powered by Jobber Payments, their in-house payment solution designed specifically for service businesses. This means that when you enable Jobber Payments, you're not just getting credit card processing. You're also gaining access to ACH capabilities. This integration is seamless, allowing your customers to pay their invoices directly via ACH through their client hub, or even through a direct link you send them. Let's walk through how this works in practice. Imagine you've completed a fantastic landscaping project for a client. You've generated the invoice in Jobber. When your client accesses their invoice through their client hub, they'll see various payment options. Alongside credit card options, they'll have the choice to pay via bank transfer, which is the ACH option. They simply enter their bank account and routing number, authorize the payment, and the funds are initiated. It's as simple and secure as that. What's particularly valuable about Jobber's integrated approach is the complete visibility and control it provides. All your payment information, whether it's credit card or ACH, is consolidated within Jobber. This means less manual reconciliation, fewer errors, and a clearer picture of your cash flow. You can track payment statuses in real time, see which invoices have been paid, and quickly identify any outstanding balances. This level of financial clarity is invaluable for managing your business efficiently and making informed decisions. Furthermore, Jobber's automated payment reminders work just as effectively for ACH payments as they do for credit card payments. You can set up automated email or text reminders for overdue invoices, prompting your clients to pay, and again, giving them the convenient option to do so via ACH. This not only improves your chances of getting paid on time, but also reduces the administrative burden of chasing down payments. Now, while the benefits of ACH through Jobber are clear, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. ACH transactions generally take a few business days to clear, typically 3 to 5 business days, compared to the faster processing of credit card payments. This is an inherent characteristic of the ACH network, not a limitation of Jobber. It's important to set expectations with your customers regarding payment processing times and to factor this into your own cash flow management. Another point to remember is that while ACH fees are significantly lower than credit card fees, there are still transaction fees involved. Jobber Payments offers competitive rates for both credit card and ACH transactions, and these rates are transparently communicated within the platform. It's always a good idea to review their current pricing structure to understand the exact costs associated with each payment method. For businesses dealing with recurring services, the integration of ACH and Jobber becomes even more powerful. Imagine you offer monthly pest control, pool maintenance, or lawn care services. With Jobber, you can set up recurring invoices and even authorize recurring ACH payments with proper customer consent. This automation takes the hassle out of billing and ensures a steady, predictable revenue stream. Your customers benefit from not having to manually initiate payments each month, and you benefit from reduced administrative overhead and improved cash flow stability. Beyond the direct payment processing, Jobber's comprehensive suite of features further enhances the value of accepting ACH. For instance, the ability to generate detailed reports on payments received, broken down by type, gives you valuable insights into your financial performance. You can see how much revenue is coming in via ACH versus credit cards, helping you to understand your payment trends and optimize your billing strategies. In summary, for home service businesses looking to optimize their payment processes, reduce transaction costs, and enhance financial control, Jobber's integrated ACH payment capabilities are a game changer. It empowers you to offer a convenient, secure, and cost-effective payment option to your customers, while streamlining your own financial operations. It's about leveraging technology to work smarter, not harder, and ultimately to build a more profitable and sustainable business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.